New box, new balance, new day. Ladies especially, men especially. Don't play yourself. Y'all see the vibes is, just know. Oh, let me see that. Just know. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming to y'all again with another super unboxing. It's Cherry. Welcome to Cherry's World. And y'all know who y'all dealing with, okay? New box, new balance, new day. Remember that. New box, new balance, new day. Right here, I got something. I think it's gonna be mixed feelings in the building. Good reviews, bad reviews. I think you're gonna get them all with this one in the box. Me, I love it. It was love at first sight. You ever just see something, you hone in, your eyes lock in, and it's just set, the endorphins, the dopamine just heightens to a level you ain't been to before. This one did it for me. Now, it's a brand new silhouette. It's the first version of the shoe. So again, I don't know what to expect. There's not a lot of videos on the internet. There's a couple people I've seen. I know I'm not the first, but I am the first because I'm doing it for me. And for me. And for me only. You know, let me stop playing with y'all. Let me stop playing. Y'all know I do it for y'all too. But again, I know I'm not the first person to show off this shoe specifically, but I'm gonna try to bring it into more details of the shoe. So let me stop talking and let me get the unboxing, all right? Got this beautiful brown box. Y'all see the vintage though. Stop playing, still got the tag on her. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Ugh, y'all see the tag though? New era. It is a new era. Let's go ahead and get her unboxed. And again, this shoe literally just came out probably a week ago. Not even, it's been about a week. Lifestyle shoe. Damn, look at the packaging. You gotta be so rough with me, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I don't even want to show y'all the sticker. I ain't gonna lie, from the feel of this shoe, I don't know if y'all could, this is such a thick outsole, but man, you have today the brand new, it's the first version of the shoe, the CT302 New Balance, all right? It's a beautiful shoe. I really think New Balance did such a well job with this. The materials look amazing. It's a beautiful shoe, man. If you can get your hands on this, and you kind of like that thickened outsole, midsole kind of style, kind of almost looks like a platform in a sense, but how I'm gonna style her, y'all are gonna have to wait and see, because that video is gonna be coming very soon. This was just a simple unboxing, and I appreciate y'all for stopping by. That's one thing you gotta know, once you pick up that box, it's not like these other light shoes that they make. It's a heavy shoe. This is the official New Balance CT302, 302. Pretty sure the CT stands for court. It's a unisex shoe, beautiful shoe. Leather upper, adjustable laces, profile combined with heritage court design, which obviously it looks like it's supposed to be on a tennis court, but it is a lifestyle shoe. You wouldn't want to play tennis in this. This shoe is so heavy. Ladies especially. Men especially, don't play yourself. I think this is something that is just a clean shoe. It's gonna be a head turner. People are gonna wanna know what it is, where'd you get it, you know, who, what, where, when, why, and how. They will be asking. So if you can, get you a pair of CT302s for the summer, spring, summer this year, 2022. I think this shoe's gonna do excellent, and it's just a sleeping giant ready to be woken up. Like, look at that. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Next time you see them with me, they gonna be on feet. I'm gonna have a couple fits with them. I'm gonna show you how to style this for spring, which is literally coming up very, very soon. I'll be in Atlanta by the time the 20th comes, which is the first day of spring. ThriftCon is the 21st. So if you are in Atlanta, and you see me, come say what's up, come say hi, let's chop it up, let's talk, let's get some content, let's build this thing together. I'll be there, I'll be in the building, I can't wait. I'm ready to talk to the people, see what the people have to offer, see what I get to put in my bag, see what I get to shop, etc. But again, I appreciate y'all for stopping by. It's Cherry. I'm out, man. Y'all have a blessed night.